Matthew Price there in Lampedusa. Now, we've been talking all day about the Royal Mail because the Prime Minister, of course, defending the government's handling of the firm's privatisations. Shares shooting up when they were traded for the first time this morning, which led to more suggestions that the company was undervalued. Well, the markets have just closed in the last few moments, and I'm joined by our business correspondent, Victoria Fritz, who's been pulling together the stats from the day's trading. What can you tell us?
Yes, I have. So they were offered obviously at 330 pence. The high today was 459.75. The low 431. So you're still significantly above that share price offer to investors. And the close price 455. Now, what is absolutely staggering is although there are late trades still coming in now, they're being settled, but at the moment 229 million shares were traded today. That's a real value of about notional value of over £1 billion. Now, the traders I was talking to today, they said this is extraordinary. They weren't expecting anything like this, and they said hurrah for the small investor, they're back.
And in terms of today's excitement and flurry, are we expecting this to continue, or is this really just fueled by today being the first day that certain people could trade and the sort of momentum that generated?
Well, there has been a lot of hype around these shares. There's also, for lack of a better word, there's been not a huge amount to really invest in. There have been plenty of people, pension funds down to the small investor, who haven't really felt confident enough to invest in anything for months, perhaps years. So there has been a lot of demand for these shares. We will probably see an evening out if other privatisations are anything to go by in terms of the share price. It will be interesting to see what happens in the next 3 to 6 months. There are significant challenges for the Royal Mail. There's structural issues. There's not a really clear growth strategy. They're looking at legal challenges to their VAT exemptions. And of course, there are impending problems with industrial relations. Strike ballot is on Wednesday of next week, and perhaps a strike action as soon as the 23rd of October.
It's a lot to keep our eye on. Victoria, thanks very much.
Well, we'll have